We are in a puppet theater. The show is starting. The puppets are acting. The people are laughing.
Take this, Puccinella. No, you take this.
The puppets are funny. The people clap and laugh. But suddenly Harley Quinn stops.
Wait, look over there. It's true. It's Pinocchio. Pinocchio, oh brother. Pinocchio, come here.
Pinocchio jumps into the theater. He hugs the puppets. They dance. They laugh. They are all happy.
Continue the play.
But the people are angry. They want the play to go on. Suddenly, the master of the theater comes. He is big with a long beard and very scary. He is fire eater.
What is happening here? Who made this mess?
All the puppets shake with fear.
Bring me that marionette. Tonight he will burn in the fire.
Poor Pinocchio. Harley Quinn and Pulcinella take him to the fire eater. Pinocchio cries and struggles.
Fire, save me. I don't want to die.
Fire eater looks at him. He wants to be cruel, but suddenly he sneezes.
Achoo! Achoo!
Don't cry. When Fire Eater is sneezing, it means if you're sorry.
Fire eater sneezes again.
Achoo! Achoo!
Bless you, sir.
Thank you, but I need wood for my dinner. I will burn Harlequin instead.
Please, Master, don't burn me.
Harley Quinn is so scared, but Pinocchio is brave. He means to.
Please, fire eater, don't burn my friend. Burn me instead.
Fire eater is touched. He sneezes again, louder and louder.
Achoo! 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 Oh, Pinocchio, you are a good boy. I will not burn you. I will not burn Harlequin. You are both safe.
Fire eater hugs Pinocchio. He is still grumpy, but no kinder.
Be careful next time.
The puppets jump, sing a dance around Pinocchio.
Long live Pinocchio. Long live friendship.
And so Pinocchio saved his friend for the first time. He showed a brave and kind heart.